about you? I mean, something like hashtag Here to Create. How do you incorporate that in your daily life?
When I saw the video, I think the one which really stood out for me was the basketball player, and how she ended the video was she reinvents her game. And I think I really relate to that because when you get on code, you got to try and change your game plan every day. You got to try and change your game every, once in 2 years. And I think that I really related to that because we all have different stages in our careers. We have juniors, we have sub-juniors, we have seniors. And we got to keep creating new things. We got to keep, reinventing our games, to, try and win on a regular basis. So I think that video really, really stood out for me.
Improvise karna, that is something that everybody in this room does, right? No matter what field we come from. As an athlete or as an MC or as photographers that we have over here, they all do that. So going specific into your workout routine, what is that one thing maybe that you have done that's a little different?
See, unfortunately, you can't really hit a squash ball on anything other than like boxing and wrestling. You can do that. You can just get up in the morning and do that. For me, I'm a very fitness oriented girl. I love my fitness. Even though whenever I'm on my summer break, I try and do a bit of fitness every morning. And for example, I think for the last 10 days, I've been very busy with my sister's wedding, but I still made it a point to get up in the morning, get on the terrace, and do whatever I can. Maybe just skipping or just invent something. We've got bars out there, you've got stools out there, just to do a bit of push-ups and sit-ups, and you're still keeping your body healthy. And I think that's what's important.
Deepika, I think you were going to say something.
Yeah, I think no one knows this, but I always, whenever after training, you're supposed to stretch for about half an hour, 45 minutes to cool down. Yeah. And I'm actually very lazy at that, so I just take the car and go back home.
1 minute, we have to ask all the girls, who's really lazy about stretching after the workout? Oh, see,
I don't endorse that. I do not endorse that.
They all feel you.
No, but I make sure, so when I get back home, I always make sure, so when I know it's not a good thing, but I always stretch on my dining table.
Stretch
that's not good. On my dining table.
But that's the best. Yeah, I can imagine the good stretch that's happening with something like that. What about you, Deepika? I mean, how did it come into your life?
I actually come from a family where all of us actually played sport.
Okay.
My mom captained the Indian cricket team in her days. My granddad played basketball for India, and my grandmom was an athlete for India.
Wow.
So I come from a family where sports was the only way out. We had to play sport. But how I took up squash, I played tennis for 2 years, and my grandmom pulled me off the tennis court saying, you're getting too tanned, you can't play tennis outdoor.
Oh,
so I sat home. So I sat home for a year, and then one day my best friend went to the squash court, and that's how I started playing. It was by accident. I think the times have definitely changed. Yes, there are a few difficulties, but I think because of women doing so well in the country, people are starting to believe in us, right? I think it was more about, okay, let the women go out there and see what they can do, but we're actually sitting there and proving everyone right now. And I think it's definitely becoming more popular in the country, women's sports, and I think a lot of us and a lot of juniors are looking up to a lot of athletes and wanting to take up sport. So yes, it is improving, but it can definitely do way better.